Hello everyone, my name is Hiranmai. My seminar topic is on waste management system based on IoT. And these are the contents of my topic. Coming to the introduction, waste management is one of the primary problems that the world faces, irrespective of the case of developed or developing country. The key issue in the waste management is that the garbage bin at the public places gets overflowed well in advance before the commencement of the next cleaning process. It in turn leads to various hazards such as bad odor and ugliness to that place, which may be the root cause for spread of various diseases. Waste are the one which grows with the growth of the country. This common method of disposal of the industrial waste is by uncontrolled and unplanned and exposed dumping at the river sites and open areas. This method is injurious to plants, human health, and animal life. To avoid all these and maintain public cleanliness and health, this work is mounted on a smart garbage system. Next, coming to the methodology, ultrasonic sensor. It is a sensor that devices then generates or senses ultrasound energy. This sensor is used to detect the level of the dust in the dustbin. It uses sound transmitter and receiver. Transmitter convert electrical signal into ultrasound. Receiver converts ultrasound into electrical signal. An ultrasonic sensor creates an ultrasonic pulse called ping and listen for the reflection of pulse. A sonar projector with a signal generator, power amplifier, and electroacoustic transducer array generates the sound pulse electronically. The ultrasonic sensor module consists of 4 pins: VCC, trigger pin, echo pin, and ground. Next, coming to the proposed system, instead of using plenty of bins in an unordered fashion around the city, we have minimal number of smart bins that can be placed that are feasible and affordable. As we have seen all around us, the dustbins are getting overflow and concerned municipal authorities usually don't get information within the stimulated time. So the main theme of the work is to develop a smart, intelligent garbage alert system for a proper garbage management. The smart garbage system gives an alert signal to the municipal web server for instant cleaning of the dustbin with proper verification based on level of garbage filling. This process is aided by an ultrasonic sensor. After cleaning the dustbin, the driver confirms the task of emptying the garbage with the aid of RFID tag, radio frequency identification. It is a computing technology that is used for verification process. In addition, it also enhances the smart garbage alert system by providing automatic identification of garbage filled in the dustbin and sends the status of cleanup to the server saying that the work is done. The whole process is upheld by an embedded module integrated with RFID and IoT facilitation. The real time status of how waste collection is being done could be monitored and followed up by the municipal authority with the aid of this system. An Android application is also developed and linked to a web server to intimate the alerts from the microcontroller to the urban office and to perform the remote monitoring of the cleaning process done by the workers, thereby reducing the manual process of monitoring and verification. The notifications are sent to an Android application using Wi-Fi module. Next, coming to the flowchart, it basically provides the idea of the smart waste management system. It begins with option start. Ultrasonic sensors are deployed that senses the level of trash in the bins, and when it crosses the threshold level, message is sent to a concerned authority via GSM so that the concerned authority can clean the dustbin as soon as possible. The process gets repeated itself again and again until the dustbin is not clean. Next, coming to the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: it saves time and money by using smart waste collection bins. As smart transport vehicles go only to the filled containers or bins, it keeps our surrounding clean and green and free from bad odor of waste. Coming to the disadvantages, sensor nodes used in the dustbins have limited memory size and the process is not always cost effective. Waste management can cause more problems. Next, coming to the future scope, it can be taken to a product level. Two bins can be placed to collect wet and dry waste separately. Wet waste can be decomposed and used for making biogas. And finally, coming to the conclusion, the objective of this paper is for the real-time access of information about the dustbin. This waste management system uses IoT to manage waste in real time using a smart dustbin to monitor the dustbin's fill level to check if it is full or not. For the Clean India mission, the suggested system is an attempt to improve India's current waste collection system. These are the references. Thank you.